Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can fix USB Type-C not detected on your Samsung phone. So the step number one is to check connection and port. So this is the most common fix. So let's check the basics first. So first is to firmly replug your USB-C earphones into the port and also gently clean the phone's port with a soft, dry brush or compressed air. It can be lint and debris are common culprits. So you also have to inspect the cable and connector for any visible damage. Next is you can also restart and test. So a simple restart can clear temporary software glitches that may be blocking the connection. Also try plugging your USB-C earphones into another device like a laptop or another phone if they don't work there. So the earphones are likely the problem. Next is to check USB settings. So this is a common Samsung specific setting that can cause issue. So what you're going to do is go to settings, tap on the about phone, and then go to software information. So once you're there, just tap on the build number 7 times to enable developer options. And then go back to the main settings menu and tap developer options at the bottom and scroll down and find disable USB audio routing, and just have to make sure this switch is off. So next step is to check if in safe mode. So a third-party application might be interfering with audio connection. Safe mode disables all downloaded applications, so you must restart your phone. When the Samsung logo appears, press and hold the volume down button and you will see safe mode in the bottom corner of your screen. Then next, you can also plug in your earphones, and if they work now, an app is the culprit. So restart normally and install recent apps one by one. Lastly, and the final option is if nothing has worked, you can try these last two software steps. So first is reset app preferences. So this won't delete your data. So just go to settings, tap on apps, tap the three dots menu and select reset app preferences. So you can also contact support. So if the earphones still aren't detected, it may be a hardware issue with your phone's port. So it's time to contact Samsung support if it doesn't work. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!